What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I told you guys before that I was going to get this car wrapped in pink, and I finally done it. And in this video I'm going to show you guys what I did, how much it cost, and give you basically a tour of the car. So let's get into it.
Alright, just right here. Yeah. And there's black. Perfect.
I have purple.
So let me show you all the pinks. I think one of the pinks that we have in stock would have been, yes, this one. So I'll let you go through the swatches just to double check. So that's the one I think we have in stock.
Just this one?
That's the one we've got, but there's so many pinks, so obviously you can just pick whichever ones you want.
Okay.
And if you like one in particular, the suppliers are closed now, but I'll ring them tomorrow just to find out if it is available and so on. Yeah. So that's one, yeah? Yeah. Okay, the suppliers are closed today, so I'll use to double check tomorrow. Let me just take a picture of it now. Would you mind just sending me a WhatsApp just so I have your number? And then I'll be able to let you know. So, not metallic pink, right? Yeah. Okay, let's just go through the car. Get a video.
Here we have it guys. If you remember from my car tour or my car decoration video, it was dark purple and I actually wrapped it in pink. Alright, so I did the wrapping in Avery Bubblegum satin pink, and then I did the roof in glossy black, as well as the spoiler came in glossy black, and I also did the doorknobs and the gas tank in glossy black as well. I feel like with the glossy black it actually, like, you know, give a little more emphasis on the car instead of putting it in matte black. And I never wanted to do like plain straight pink because I feel like that would have been boring as well. So yeah, this is the spoiler that we have here, and I also did my plates, well, my license plate frame a little bit bedazzled, and I did the custom plates as well. So for the full wrap you're looking at £1,700 roughly. It could be a bit more and it could be a bit less depending on the color and the person that you work with. I did mine with Prestige Tint, which is in Hounslow, West London, and yeah, so as I said, full wrap 1,700. The spoilers, this one is the drilled in spoiler. I got this for like £110 and I just bought it on eBay. Basically just put in Mercedes A-Class, yeah, and then put in the year, and then you'll be able to find one that fits your car. I paid £110 for it, but then I had to pay £100 to install it, so in total the spoiler came up to like £210. Then I had the custom license plate done. Custom plate, this one I paid $254, but you can get them from anywhere ranging from $250 to like 1,800, 1,200, depending on the one that you choose. Basically I went for this one because it was within my budget. The one that I really wanted though was like £800, and I'm not spend £800 on a license plate. I'm very sorry, so I went for this one. And of course you guys should remember what the inside of the car was like. I still have it with the what you call it now, the hot pink decoration, so the seat covers, the steering wheel cover, and the whole glitter Mercedes sign, whatever. Yeah, I still have all those in here. I'm contemplating whether to take them out now that the actual car is pink and is a different shade, but for now they're still here. Still have my diamond accessories as well. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour, and I hope you guys, you know, like the car. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like it, if you think I should have go with a different shade or what. Let me know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post. And also follow me on all socials, guys, at Kenique_ on TikTok and at Kenique_ unique on Instagram. And also follow my business page at KU Collection. And until next time, bye. Okay.
You get me,